Liberate is a team of world-class and award-winning learning design and development experts.
My budget is shrinking and I just don't have the resources to keep up with the demand for learning. How can I keep our employees performing with a smaller team and tighter budget?
Global organisations rely on us to facilitate design thinking workshops, host learning sprints, design innovative learning programs, develop blended training solutions, and produce first-class learning campaigns that deliver real-world application and measurable results. If you need a learning design leader or innovator with proven experience to lead your project, manage your stakeholders, or seamlessly dovetail into your internal team, one of Liberate's learning consultants can help you. And if you need a team to manage or guide your entire learning function, we can take care of that for you too.
Great. How soon can we start working together?
To determine how we can best help you, contact us today.